In this lesson, we'll look at settings related to your battery. Now, obviously, not all devices use a battery, so this lesson may not apply to you. However, for our tablet and laptop users, there are some great tools and settings that help us to get the most out of our battery life. Open the Settings app and select System. Look for Battery in the navigation pane over here, and at the top we see our battery state and an estimate of how much more running time we have. Now, right below this is a link that lets us see which apps are having the biggest impact on our battery usage. You can change the time period up here to get a better idea on battery impact by our apps over a period of the last few hours, the last day, or the last week. It's good to check this list now and then. If you're surprised by the effect some apps are having, you might decide to uninstall them, or look for settings that reduce the way these apps run. Battery Saver is a newer setting that lets Windows stop some background services and notifications, as well as reducing screen brightness after our battery hits a threshold indicated on this slider. This switch lets us manually turn the feature on, and this can be a good idea if you know you'll not be able to recharge for a while, but you want to get the most out of your battery life. At the bottom, there's a couple of links. The first will take us online for some practical tips on maximizing battery usage. The second jumps us to a setting for video playback. We're going to look at video playback settings in another lesson, but you should know that by default, video playback, while running on battery power, is set to a lower video quality as needed to extend your battery life. The last thing regarding battery settings we'll touch on is the battery status, and this appears in the notifications area. Select this to see the battery state, and again you'll see an estimate of time remaining for your battery. Here you also have a power mode slider. This adjusts your battery usage with performance or longer battery life as your priority. Notice also the link to battery settings in the Settings app. In this lesson, we've looked at battery settings on your device. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.